In a major development, the air-launched BrahMos supersonic cruise system has finally received the Fleet Release Clearance certification by the Center for Military Airworthiness and Certification, and this Fleet Release Clearance now paves the way for the Indian Air Force's Su-30 squadrons to use the air-launched BrahMos cruise systems during combat missions. The Indian Air Force had recently inducted the Su-30 fighter jets equipped with the air-launched BrahMos systems into the resurrected 222 Squadron on 20th January. The air-launched BrahMos system underwent several changes, including weight reduction from 2.9 tons to 2.5 tons, and apart from Aircraft and Systems Testing Establishment and Software Development Institute, Hindustan Aeronautics have played a key role in the program. Under this Fleet Release Clearance certification, limited number of Su-30 fighter jets have been chosen to carry BrahMos system for immediate missions, and additional fighter jets will be added in the future, as the Air Force will have to identify the aircraft batches that would undergo modifications to integrate the air-launched BrahMos system. More indigenous defense platforms are expected to receive the Fleet Release Clearance, including the Astra air-to-air system, the new generation anti-radiation system, as well as the Rudra Mark III precision-guided tactical air-launched cruise system. After conducting successful high-altitude flight tests in September 2019, 2 prototypes of light utility helicopter will now head to the Siachin glacier in August 2020 for a final capability demonstration to the Indian Army, which plans to induct at least 126 light utility helicopters to replace its aging fleet of Cheetah and Chetak light utility helicopters. The final operational clearance is expected in 2021, and Hindustan Aeronautics has planned a high rate of production for both the light utility helicopter and light combat helicopter. An Indian infrastructure group has announced its entry into the defense sector and will establish a modern defense production facility involving an initial capital investment of 500 crore rupees. The defense manufacturing facility will take up production of infantry combat vehicles, armored recovery vehicles, armed multipurpose vehicles and all-terrain light combat vehicles. The facility will also manufacture multi-barrel rocket launchers and LMGs for domestic use as well as exports. The Indian Ministry of Defence has initiated a meeting with the employees of the Ordnance Factory Board to reform the ordnance factories through corporatization, with the intent to improve the factory's autonomy, accountability and efficiency. The ordnance factory has largely remained as a production center with transfer of technology from foreign original equipment manufacturers, and 80% of the production by the ordnance factories is based on imported technology, while the capacities in the factories remain underutilized, along with repeated cases of severe delays and faulty ammunition.